Okay, my year 12 math students, okay, looking at some differentiation in this video lesson. It says given that y is equal to the square root of x plus 4 over the square root of x plus 4, where x is greater than 0, find the value of dy by dx when x is equal to 8. Writing your answer in the form a root 2, where a is a rational number, i.e., yeah, as a fraction or a whole number. Okay, so rational number means I can express it here as, let's say, b over c, okay, where b and c are integers, okay? Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to put up the answer on the screen here, but I'm going to try and talk it through, okay? So, first step we did here, guys, we wrote it in power form, so in exponential form. We have y equals x to the power of a half plus 4x to the power of minus a half plus 4. We then did dy by dx is equal to the power comes down as a multiplier, and then we reduce the power by 1. Okay, same for here. And any constants go to 0. Okay, so 4 goes to 0. Okay, and then substituted in x equals 8 into dy by dx to work out the gradient at that point. Okay, so did this. Okay, simplify this. Okay, worked with this to get that as my answer. So we got a is equal to minus 1/24 or minus 1/24. Okay, so that, guys, is going to be our final answer. Okay, hopefully it makes sense. Again, pause here if you're unsure about any bit and rewind. Okay, I thought I'd just test out here something a bit different here rather than just me keep chatting whilst I'm working. I thought maybe I'd use animations for a change. Let me know, guys, here if you found this more helpful or better. Okay, I mean, I haven't really explained here this section here, but this is just substitution. Okay, so yeah, hopefully it makes sense. Okay, but yeah, this is appropriate for year 12 and year 13. Looking at calculus, looking at differentiation. Okay, hopefully you find this animation here a bit more different, a bit more interesting. I'm trying to just switch my content here to see what YouTube actually like. Okay, because I want to try and get as many views as possible on my videos. Okay, so if we can, guys, let's try and get 1,000 views, okay, or 500 views on this video in the next, let's say, 48 hours, okay? And let's try and get 1,000 views in 96 hours at the time I'm recording this. So it's now Tuesday evening, okay, Tuesday the 19th. So by Sunday or Saturday, I want to try and get this video to 1,000 views on my TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel, okay? So if you haven't done, guys, subscribe, like, comment, follow on my other pages, and I'll see you soon, okay? Best of luck with the revision and best of luck with the exams. Bye for now.